to share with you guys my routine challenge. I really struggle with having routines, specifically when it comes to cleaning the house. I like to just do it when I feel like it, which isn't always the best idea because it ends up just being way too much. And I started to notice that I was the only person cleaning my house, which, you know, didn't exactly seem fair because there's 3 other people in my house that are perfectly capable of doing chores. So I decided to put together this routine challenge and come up with a routine and a chore chart for my family and do it for 30 days and see how it goes. And I'm super excited about it. The kids are really excited about it. My husband's not excited about it, but it'll be fine. So what I did was I got these magnetic calendars or magnetic charts off of Amazon. I'll put the link down below. The first one's a calendar, and it's really neat. It's just like a dry erase marker, and I just put like the major things on there that we both need to make sure that we know. And this chore chart. And the chore chart's really neat because it has the chores to the left, and then the days of the week on the top, and then each person is assigned however you want to lay it out. And this is how I decided to lay it out. I tried to give the kids 1 chore a day. They're 5 and 6. I felt like that was fair. And after 30 days, maybe that won't work out. Maybe they'll need more, or maybe they'll need less throughout the week. Along with that, I also got this star chart off of Amazon, and it's nice because you can do it for multiple kids. And I'm calling this the responsibility chart. They kind of struggle with taking care of personal hygiene on their own. So if they take care of their responsibilities on this chart, get a star. And if they reach so many stars, then they'll get whatever it is that they've chosen that they want. And then also on this responsibility chart, they have help with chores, and that will direct them to whatever their chore is on the chore chart. So I'm really excited about this. My son is like so excited about the star chart. You can see he's like super enthusiastic. He's trying to do responsibilities days in advance so that he can get his star. So it's really fun to see him be motivated in that way. Charlotte's a little less motivated by it, but she's still having fun with it. Yeah, I encourage you guys to do this challenge with me, whether you're seeing it 3 years from now or in 2 weeks. It doesn't necessarily have to be on September 1st. That's when I'm doing it. And I'm excited to inspire and to challenge you guys to do it along with me, because I'm sure there are a lot of you out there that struggle with routine just like I do. So yeah, let me know in the comments below if you're gonna try this out. Maybe it's not for 30 days, maybe it's for 2 weeks, or whatever works for you. So I'll also be putting out videos in the next month, just kind of showing you guys me going through my routine and what it is that I have planned for me to do and the kids to do, and I'll give you updates on how we're doing. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. I put out videos every week. I'm having a lot of fun doing them. Give this video a like, give it a like, give it a like, give it a like. I'll see you guys in my next video.